mentoring me. I thank all the champions for making me feel so blessed. It's a great privilege to be a part of BNI and that too a champion chapter. My lifetime target is to create a wealth of 1 lakh crore, and that's why I am into BNI. All my dreams till now have come true, and this also will come true. That's why I am in BNI. My company Jain Farm has got about 2,500 customers, and all are satisfied customers. The reason behind is their investment in Jain Farms has grown several times, and in some cases it has grown more than 100 times. So all my customers are mostly from the professional, software professional, doctors, defense people, business people. All my champion members are free to contact me to get connected with them. I can surely get a lot of business and connect with them. We construct luxury retirement homes near Sarjapura with all the modern facilities, and my aim is to provide quality service to seniors in our country at affordable price. Now I invite my customers to give a short presentation about their experience at Sukh Shanti, 1 minute each. First I invite Ms. Vasanta Bhaskar.
Good morning everybody. I'm Vasanta Bhaskaran. At the age of 5, I dreamt, let me have some space, no more this, don't do that and all those things. At the age of 15, I dreamt, let me have a nice house in a quiet, natural environment with lots of breeze and sunshine. At 25, I dreamt, oh God, let me have some quiet afternoon nap instead of going around schools picking up kids. At 35, I dreamt it was an identity crisis. Let me retain my identity. At 45, I dreamt, now my children are grown up. Let me give something back to nature and to the society also. At 55, I dreamt, no more cooking, no more house maintenance. Let me have a quiet, retired life. At 65, at Sukh Shanti, all my dreams have come true.
Wow.
I haven't stopped dreaming because, as the saying goes, you really become old when you stop dreaming. So thank you, Sukh Shanti. Thank you, all of you. Happy dreaming and rock and roll.
Next, Mrs. Aruna Murthy.
Good morning everybody, and I'm seeing all young faces and we are all senior citizens, and I'm sure you will join someday us. I'm speaking on behalf of my husband and myself. We entered the Jain Farms and Resorts three steps, and in each step our confidence in Jain Farms strengthened. It's very important to note, with the process of the company and the progress of the company to Sukh Shanti, the greenery of the farm is very well preserved and it is an added attraction to us. As a matter of fact, we never surveyed any other senior citizen home, and neither Sukh Shanti was a love at first sight for us. We were just drawn into it simply by watching the development from concept to reality. And that shows that things are going in a very good direction. We are frequent visitors of Sukh Shanti. We feel assured that we can permanently stay at Sukh Shanti. There is freedom as well as security, and each can lead their own life in their own way within a framework. The monthly get-togethers address various issues of seniors' life with an added attraction. We look forward to more of them. The most important factor at Sukh Shanti is the presence of an emotional touch with love and care in all the dealings, at all the levels of the management. It's building a wonderful relation among the inmates. We always wish them good to do better. I'm now speaking on behalf of another occupant, Mr. Nageshwaran and Mrs. Uma. They are not here. They have just given me the write-up. We happened to browse the internet regarding senior citizen homes in Jamshedpur and Bangalore city, and came across Sukh Shanti project being constructed in a green atmosphere very close to Bangalore. This has brought us memories of our childhood days. Both of us quite often visit our native village in Coimbatore district and enjoy the atmosphere there. Keeping that in mind, we decided to stay in Sukh Shanti on trial basis and made up our mind then to stay there permanently. We had an affinity for Bangalore being pensioners' paradise in yester years, but now the picture is different, as you all know. The invitation to Sukh Shanti made us feel connected to childhood days and a village atmosphere. We thank the architects of this project, Mr. Jain, who as a person is courteous and peace-loving. All this made us to close the show in Bangalore and move to Bangalore with a positive mind and live always in the present. So we welcome you all to Sukh Shanti as you go.
Mr. Sridharan.
Give me a few minutes because I need a time to set it up.
Okay.
As I said, I'm Sridharan. I'm a retired senior bank executive manager. Now I thought of taking you through, because I was given just a minute's time. So I thought of taking you through how it is like living in Sukh Shanti, okay, in tune with nature. Morning sunlight, you can see natural surroundings. Do you hear the birds chirping?
Yes.
This is what is the sight you see every day morning, except the days when it is raining. And you see Sridharan in casual dress, retired life, doing the Surya Namaskar. Not the Surya Namaskar of 12 poses, that also you can do, but this is basically chanting Surya Gayatri. That is worship of the life giver. Now what is the advantage of this? The advantage of this is, now we have been living in cities in a polluted atmosphere. Now having lived in Sukh Shanti for the past 6 months, if I come to Bangalore, I get eye irritation, I get constant cough. This is my real experience, I'm telling you. So I have to tell that taxi driver, hey, up the shutters and switch on the AC, so that pollution doesn't affect me. Now we are totally out of touch with Mother Nature. So we are not exposing ourselves to sunlight. Okay? Now sunlight is the only source of vitamin D, natural source of vitamin D. Of course you can have supplements, but supplements do have side effects. Then when you gaze at the sun in the morning, not with direct sun, but just close your eyelids and do this practice. Now what will happen is, when you see the play of colors within your eyelid screen, what happens is, you are getting adjusted to the biorhythm of the nature, that is day and night. Your body senses that it is day to day. Otherwise, when you are sitting in this artificially lit environment, your body doesn't know that this is day or night. It doesn't know. It assumes that it is day. That is why you don't get sleep. Okay? So when you do this sun gazing through your eyelids in the morning, you get better sleep at night. Then vitamin D, what is the advantage? It prevents cancer. It controls your sugar, blood sugar. Then next, the latest research is, have a morning walk on the lawn, barefooted. Now we cover ourselves with socks, on top of it put a nice, 1,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees shoe. So barefooted you walk on lawn, it has an excellent health effect. Probably this is the holy grail of health. That is the recent research from US. Now when you walk barefooted for 10 minutes, it thins your blood by charging your blood corpuscles with electrons. Now what is the effect? The effect is, you don't get heart attacks. Yeah, you don't get heart attacks, and it builds immunity. Now, finally, so living in Sukh Shanti is Om Shanti Home, that's it. Thank you.
And generally, we company give a PPT presentation to customers. It's the first time customer giving PPT presentation on behalf of the company. I thank Mr. Sridhar, Ms. Vasanta Bhaskar, Ms. Veena Kumari, Aruna Murthy, and Elizabeth for coming here. Thank you very much.